Hey everyone, this video will guide you in downgrading your Zoho Invoice subscription to the free plan. Log into the Zoho Invoice organization that you wish to downgrade and click Settings. Then click Subscription. In this page, you can see your plan details, renewal date, etc. Click Change Plan. Then, click here to downgrade to free plan. Enter a reason for cancellation. You can either choose to cancel your subscription right away or wait till the end of the billing cycle for the cancellation to take effect. Then click Confirm Downgrade. You've successfully downgraded your Zoho Invoice organization to the free plan. You can still view and download all your transactions. However, only the features of the free plan will be available to you from now onwards. If you have any queries, you can write to us at support@zohoinvoice.com. Thank you.